All right, good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in Tokyo. Right now it's, 7 a.m.? Thought I'd just do a quick update on what's going on with my Emira. I've been fooling around with some cameras lately, specifically the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the Insta360 X3, mounting them in various places on the car, seeing which, where I can get the most interesting view. I still haven't dialed it down yet. Today I have it wrapped around my neck. Going for the POV driver's look. We'll see how that turns out. But anyway, that's not what I wanted to talk about today. So today I wanted to go over the paint blistering issue that I first noticed came up on my car about 4 months into delivery. So, I know a lot of people were having issue with paint blistering on the passenger and the driver's side doors. So it has something to do with the primer finish on the door panels. It looks like there's water ingress into the doors, and it doesn't evaporate right or whatever. And the moisture that remains in the door ultimately pressures up and turns out as paint blisterings on the door panels. So, since I waited 2.5 years for the car, I was hoping that, Lotus would get the issue sorted out, since the issue became imminent in the very early production cars, and it's been around ever since. Unfortunately, no, Lotus, you still haven't gotten your shit together, which really pisses me off, and the reason why I decided to update in this video. So anyway, I took delivery of my car. When was that? I think it was July of 2024, and I first noticed the bubbles I think in early November of 2024, which was like 4 months after I took delivery, right? So I was already aware of the issue, and I was very careful, try to not to get drive the car in the rain or whatever, try to keep the car away from moisture as much as possible. But unfortunately, in my situation, I have the car parked outside, so there's no way to 100% avoid that kind of moisture, right? Anyway, the issue, it just came up all of a sudden, right? The week prior, I washed my car. I let it sit in there for a week, and then on the next weekend, when I came to open the door, I noticed the paint bubbles on the driver's side door, and I was like, shit, right? And then I went over to the passenger side door, and I noticed the same issue happening. So I don't know. It just happens all of a sudden, right? 1 week you're, 1 week you're okay, and then next week they're there. And I think it's been about 2 months ever since I've discovered the issue happening, and it seems that the bubbles are growing. So the area where I'm seeing the bubbles is expanding, actually getting larger on the doors. So I've been going back and forth with the dealership on this, and ultimately they've agreed to replace the doors. So I have some new doors flying in from Hethel. They will be repainted and replaced. So I have an appointment at the dealership next week, and they're telling me it's going to take maybe 2 or 3 weeks to do the whole repair, which I'm totally okay with. Not having my car around for a couple weeks, that's fine. What I'm not fine is that this isn't the quality that I would expect from a 100K car, and I'm sure there are a lot of pissed off Emira owners out there who feel the same. So anyone at Lotus Quality Control, if you're watching this, or if this somehow manages to circulate to get your attention, for once and for all, please get your shit together and make things right. Aside from that, I love the car. I love the sound of the engine. I love the sound of the supercharger wine. It sounds so good. The looks of the car, the way it drives, the quality of the interior, everything is perfect. But again, every time I open and close the door, it kind of makes me want to kill myself, right? So please, get your shit together and make things right. And the thing that worries me even more, even if I get the doors replaced, I still haven't seen Lotus officially recognize this issue. I see a lot of people that have had the same issue, and they've had their doors replaced. But for some people, even if their door was replaced, they still see the issue reappearing. And I think that's fine if the car is still under warranty. But eventually, there's going to come a time when Lotus isn't going to be replacing doors anymore, right? So what we need is a fundamental fix in the primer. So please do officially acknowledge the issue and make some kind of improvement in the production process and the whole QA/QC process. Please, I'm begging you. So anyway, that was a quick update. I'm gonna park the car somewhere and see if I can get some shots of the actual blistering and what it looks like. But until then, I'm going to be enjoying this lack of traffic on a holiday morning on the Tokyo Metropolitan Expressway. T3RS.
ステルス式移動オービスエリアです。右方向レベル3覆面パト追尾式取締エリアです。スピード注意。覆面パト追尾式取締エリアです。スピード注意。
Okay. All right. And for some of you who may have noticed, my back sensor also is faulty. I'm going to put this into reverse. Nothing. So I have to manually go into the menu and get the parking, the back camera activated. But anyway, it's a Lotus thing, right? So let's step outside and see how the paint blistering actually looks on my doors. It ain't pretty, I'll tell you that. You guys seeing this? Not sure if the camera's picking it up. Go over to the other side. Again, paint blisters. And it's getting worse by the day, right? And check out all these 911s. Beautiful. All right, so that was a quick update on my Emira. Again, the car is going into repair in about a week. We'll see how the door replacements turn out. Hopefully, you know, once I get them replaced, they won't be showing up again. But who knows? Even if it does come up again, I hope by then that Lotus will finally will have things sorted out. And there's going to be already some kind of improvement to the process of the production. Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful. Check that out. Ooh. All right, cool. So guys, drive safe, and until next time, peace.